What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is a pretty wild one. Mansory has gone back to his roots by unveiling a new project that takes wild to a whole new level. It's called the Stallone Tempesta Nera and it is built on the Ferrari 812 GTS. Now this is a complete package, a new front bumper with a reshaped central section and apron with side blades attached to it. Additional vents can be seen on the hood and the front quarter panels, and there's some beefy side skirts with new side mirror caps that came up from the aftermarket world. Now just like the front, the rear bumper is new as well, and it sports a similar design with side blades and incorporates the more aggressive diffuser, which has an extra brake light in the middle. Now the tailpipes are slightly bigger and there's a massive wing that shows the model's unofficial name on the sides and the tuners in the middle. Now the Italian flag bedecks these certain parts of the exterior, such as the front fenders, rear wing, brake calipers, and it also is present on the stripe going from the nose all the way to the back of the car. And finished in red and black, this 812 GTS rides on wheels that are just as wild as the rest of the build. Now for the interior, Mansory chose piping with other accents in white and the obvious Italian flag motif too, and power has been bumped up. Now a standard GTS gets 789 horsepower, 800 PS, and 588 kilowatts, with also 530 pound-feet, 718 newton-meters of torque. But for this Mansory, you're getting 818 horsepower, 830 PS, 610 kilowatts, and 546 pound-feet, 740 newton-meters of torque. Now the tuned 6.5-liter V12 lets it hit 0 to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers in 2.8 seconds from a standstill, and you get a 214 mile per hour or 345 kilometer an hour flat out top speed and a 0.2 second 5 kilometer or 3 mile per hour improvement. So it is as fast as it is brash. What do you guys think about the looks and the performance beef up on this 812 GTS, the Stallone Tempesta Nera? Let me know if this is hot or not, something that you would do if money was no option to your Ferrari 812 GTS down in the comments below, because not everybody is gonna like it. But if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 812 Stallone Tempesta Nera from Mansory. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love that you guys show always. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want the long sleeve shirts, hoodies, Kango hats, stickers, everything Ron's Rides is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.